Over the years, it seemed like you would never catch Optimus moving on the streets like the electric cars that are spotted, operating secretly inside Tesla's laboratories and manufacturing facilities. That was until a former Tesla engineer recently revealed the secrets behind Optimus's testing process at the Nevada Gigafactory and why the Tesla Bot has the most unique design on the humanoid robot market. Before we begin, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe, as this will motivate us to focus on research and bring you exciting episodes about technology. All right, let's dive in. How was Tesla Optimus tested at the Giga Nevada factory? Surprisingly, in an interview, a former Tesla engineer revealed that the Tesla Bot Optimus Gen 3 is performing tasks daily inside the Nevada factory, which is known for its large-scale 4680 cell battery production process used for the Cybertruck, Cybercab, and Tesla Bot. Optimus seems to be a good fit for this space, with a task in the factory that needs to be automated, but would take a long time to accomplish in the old way with robots and automation. This is especially true if Tesla has tasks that are always changing, where nothing ever stays stable. Humans spend time setting up equipment and programming everything to do something that may only last a few months before the equipment changes. Then, people need to go back and redo everything, creating a lot of technical overhead costs. You need to pay many engineers to do a lot of work. If you have a product like Optimus that is more flexible, you can assign a task, teach the task, and have employees teach the robot what they want it to do, as opposed to having an entire team of engineers program devices that allow you to set up and create tasks that can be automated. But this would be too much work for the amount of time the task would take, allowing you to use Optimus to automate those tasks and actually get a return on the time you would spend automating it.
Optimus is already performing tasks in our factory, and we expect to have Optimus production version 1 in limited production starting early next year.
In addition, Elon Musk has emphasized that the Tesla Bot is performing tasks inside the factory. Although there has been no official statement regarding the specific tasks Optimus is carrying out, previous video footage suggests that Optimus may be performing tasks such as removing batteries from the production line and organizing them into trays. Sometimes the methods of operation need to be adjusted, but everything seems to be handled efficiently by Tesla's team.
But I think we'll literally build a legion, at least one legion of robots this year, and then probably 10 legions next year. And I don't know, it's kind of a cool unit, units of legion. So probably 50,000-ish next year.
Elon Musk has unveiled an ambitious plan during Tesla's Q1 2025. Tesla aims to produce its first legion of humanoid robots by the end of this year. This isn't just a major technological breakthrough. With Musk targeting the production of 5,000 Tesla bots in 2025, these robots won't just serve in Tesla's factories, they could also assist with daily tasks at home, in hospitals, and even in emergency situations. These robots are not just machines. They're envisioned as companions, helping hands in every aspect of life, proving they're far more than simple automation. Tesla Bot is barely 4 years old, and its journey has been nothing short of extraordinary. What started as a person in a robot suit has now evolved into a fully functional machine, equipped with flexible movements and advanced algorithms that allow it to think, adapt, and assist. From supporting people in daily life to providing care for the elderly and disabled. Tesla Optimus is being recognized not just as a robot, but as a future caregiver, perhaps even the one helping take care of your better half in old age. We often compare Optimus to humans, a rather tough standard, considering that at the end of the day it's still just a machine. It hasn't yet surpassed the agility or responsiveness of a human being. But thanks to artificial intelligence, its ability to process and think has already reached levels beyond ours, while still remaining under our control. When we look at the big picture, Boston Dynamics has spent over 3 decades developing robots, yet their creations still mainly focus on running, jumping, and acrobatics. Similarly, some humanoid robots from China share the same traits, They can perform flips and run smoothly without stumbling. But what sets Tesla's robot apart is its ability to perceive the world more realistically, using a system of 8 sensor cameras without relying on radar, LiDAR, or any other scanning technology. What is even more fascinating is the way Tesla is testing Optimus. Instead of manually programming each movement, which is an extremely time-consuming method, Tesla has allowed the AI to learn how to walk through reinforcement learning. This approach is similar to how a child learns to walk. They practice, fall, and repeat until they become steady. Optimus follows the same method, except that it learns in a simulated environment before applying its skills to the real world. This allows the robot not only to walk better, but also to adapt to various situations without requiring excessive human intervention. How did Tesla prove Optimus Gen 3 works well in factory? For the most part, Tesla's gigafactory has kept the same appearance since the beginning of the year. The final version of the building, expected to be completed by the end of this decade, is projected to have 13 million square feet of production and workspace. That's enough to make it the largest building on Earth by footprint, and Tesla plans to produce at least as much battery capacity as the current total global output of lithium-ion batteries. The outer walls of the expanded Gigafactory in Nevada have officially been erected, as shown in an update video from semi-factory drone watcher Zangler. The video highlights significant progress compared to just a few weeks ago, when Tesla had only begun installing windows and walls in large sections. It's been over a year since Tesla first broke ground on the Tesla semi-factory, and the company is aiming to bring it into operation around 2025. The first fully completed exterior corner of the building was finished by the end of October. Once mass production ramps up, the Nevada semi-facility is expected to produce 50,000 units per year, with the first deliveries from the factory projected to roll out early next year. Tesla Optimus will play a role here as well, working as a production assistant, arranging 4680 battery cells and helping support the continuous manufacturing of the Tesla Semi. But that's not all. Elon Musk and Tesla's engineering team have revealed that the Tesla Bot is already performing tasks at the Fremont factory. Mass production is expected to begin by the end of 2025, setting the stage for a potential explosion in the humanoid robot market in 2026. How would Tesla produce Optimus Gen 3 hands? In several recent videos showcasing Optimus's new ability to catch objects, it's likely that the improved grip comes from a newly designed hand covering. This new design appears to enhance grip in all kinds of environments, especially wet ones, which is particularly useful when Optimus is tasked with washing greasy dishes using dish soap. The high-grade silicone hand covering boosts water resistance even under high pressure. This material can also be mass-produced efficiently using pre-made molds created with 3D printing. Multiple molds can be filled with silicone and cooled rapidly, offering the potential to produce over 500 hand units per day. Once a 3D model of the hand is created, you can print the basic structural components like the frame, then create silicone molds for parts that require high flexibility. These molds can be filled with soft materials such as rubber silicone to form outer coverings or highly flexible sections. Optimus's hand likely requires soft and adaptive parts like protective shells or cushioning elements to ensure flexibility and smooth interaction with its environment. Silicone is ideal for forming gentle protective layers around moving components or fingers, making it a practical choice for both durability and functionality. So what do you think about the new hand design for Tesla Optimus? Is it really as useful as it seems? Leave a hands up in the comments if you are ready to welcome this new wave of technology. So, what stage is production at now, and when can you buy a Tesla Optimus? The disclosed production cost of $15,000 per Tesla Optimus unit. Tesla may go beyond its initial plans, such as offering rentals at $40 per day or selling them at a higher price to optimize profits, potentially not at the previously stated $20,000. However, shortly after things run smoothly, that is, once Tesla can mass-produce the robots, they will focus on bringing this first lineup into production. It could turn into an assembly line, If they manage to produce between 5,000 to 10,000 bots in 2025, that would be their current target, ramping up the supply chain. Once they exit the manual production phase and shift into assembly line manufacturing with mass production, building dozens per day, the selling price of Tesla Optimus is expected to gradually drop, possibly even below $20,000. Why can they do this? Tesla may produce hundreds or thousands of units, but that represents a different mode for the company. They are leading the way and are currently the best at operating car factories. But then Starlink is able to produce mini Starlink terminals in their own factory. And if SpaceX can manufacture 5.4 million Starlink terminals per year, then Tesla will be able to produce 1 million Optimus units annually. This is incredible, because it's more than just that. They're similar, as if they're very closely related. And if Tesla can produce 500,000 cars per year, then why wouldn't they be able to produce 5 to 10 million Optimus units at a dedicated robot factory? They can, and they will.
So this year, we hopefully will be able to make about 5,000 Optimus robots. We're aiming for enough parts to make 10,000, maybe 12,000. But since it's a totally new product with totally new, like everything is totally new, I'll say like we're succeeding if we get to half of the 10th.
In a recent live stream, Elon Musk made some bold statements and shared a few ambitious predictions for his humanoid robot project. Now, we're not saying everything he says will happen 100%, because, well, it's Elon. But some things are definitely being set in motion. Tesla plans to produce at least 5,000 Optimus robots this year, although in true Elon fashion, he casually mentioned that the number could reach up to 12,000. So things are about to get interesting. The humanoid robot race is heating up, and after closely following Tesla Optimus and the company's progress for some time, it's clear that Tesla holds a significant cost advantage over its competitors. Elon Musk even claimed that Tesla could produce Optimus for just $10,000, which is insane. On the other hand, Figure AI is also one of the more reliable companies with a clear product development strategy. Their robots are being developed for use in factories and to perform tasks in place of humans, similar to Tesla Optimus. Back to Optimus production. As we mentioned earlier, Tesla isn't just building a product, they're pioneering an entirely new industry. This isn't like manufacturing a new phone or car. We're talking about a humanoid robot that requires absolute precision in every component, algorithm, and movement. Unlike with cars, everything from the assembly line to the AI software is being built from scratch, not copied from other existing prototypes on the market. If you've seen one of Elon's posts on X, you might remember that he confirmed Tesla will offer Optimus both for rent and for direct purchase. But rental will be the top priority. Why does he prioritize this? Instead of a one-time sale, leasing generates a steady and recurring income stream, monthly, quarterly, or annually. This allows Tesla to better predict cash flow and plan long-term finances. Many customers may not want or be able to pay a large upfront sum to own a brand new product. Offering rentals at a lower cost makes the product more accessible and expands the potential customer base. In a market where consumers increasingly prefer the use-it-don't-own-it model, like cars, machinery, and tech equipment, leasing becomes a key competitive advantage to avoid falling behind. That said, if you're someone who wants to personally own a Tesla bot, it likely won't be difficult, especially with a price under 20 grand. What makes the Tesla Optimus so different? While most robotics companies focus on building a smarter AI brain or optimizing the walking speed of their robots, they often overlook one crucial aspect: the hands. Human intelligence isn't just about thinking, it's about doing. And what is our most powerful tool for shaping the world? Our hands. Every structure, every technology, every complex mechanism we use daily exists thanks to the dexterity and precision of human hands. Tesla understands this. That's why Optimus is designed not only to be intelligent, but also highly capable. Optimus could be the first robot to truly function like a human, bridging the gap between AI and real-world usefulness. This could be the game-changing advantage that sets Tesla's humanoid robot apart from the rest and brings us closer than ever to the future. Additionally, Musk stated that Optimus will be produced in limited quantities in 2025, with plans to deploy over 1,000 units within Tesla's own facilities and the potential for production for other companies starting in 2026. Optimus is being trained by the supercomputer Cortex, an AI training supercluster currently being set up on the Tesla headquarters campus in Austin, Texas, to enable what they call real-world AI. What do you think about this? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We hope to bring the best information to you. Please give a thumbs up if you like this. Join Techno Creator by subscribing and hit the bell icon so you will not miss out on any awesome videos. We value your feedback. Thanks for watching. Until then, stay safe and have fun.